In this video, I'll walk you through how the Payables report works in WinkSell. Once you are logged in, look for the Accounts option in the menu items, and then the Payables report. You can check all your payables in this report after selecting the branches, credit issuer within the selected duration. The report showcases transaction date, invoice number, salesman, party, transaction description, debit means paid, credit means to be paid, and the overall payable balance. Additionally, you can export this report in Excel to present to the owner or the partner. Next is the Payables Aging report. This report shows you all the payables. The report shows the name of the party to be paid, total credits, as the total amount payable, total paid, and the standing balance, which is yet to be paid, and the aging of the payables. There are 4 time slots, 0 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, and over 90 days. These time slots indicate the number of days the dues have remained unpaid. You can also filter the data using the filters at the top. That's all about it. To learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.